Aditya,
Yes, Daddy.
can you convert this text document into Excel and the student details into different columns?
Yes, I can. First, we need to copy and paste this into Excel. Click on any cell and Ctrl V for paste. It will automatically adjust the rows. So now we need to go to Data tab, go to Text Columns in Data Tools tab and click on Custom, and custom value will be underscore. And here you go, Daddy.
Very good, Aditya. Now adjust the column width also.
Yes, we can do that by double clicking in the middle of these two cells. Here you go, Daddy.
Very good. Aditya,
Yes, Daddy.
so these are your friends' names list.
Yes.
Do you know any faster method to separate their first name and last name?
Yes, I do know one. It is called flash fill. First, write the name and go to the second row and press Ctrl E, and it will fill it for you automatically. And do the same for the last name. Enter and Ctrl E. Completed.
Very good, Aditya. Aditya,
Yes, Daddy.
can you combine this first name and last name to make a full name?
Yes, I can. First, we need to write equals to concat and click on the first name, comma, the second name and bracket and enter. Here you go, Daddy. Now to select the for all, and here you go, Daddy.
It's okay, but there should be space between first name and last name.
Oh, okay then. We need to just do the same and click on first name and then click on comma and paste in quotes and the last name. And here you go, Daddy. Now we need to autofill. And here you go, Daddy.
Very good. Aditya,
Yes, Daddy.
how can you quickly visualize these marks into a graph?
Yes, I can visualize these marks into a graph by clicking on it and writing a formula equals to REPT tab for quick selecting, and the text I want to repeat is this straight line symbol. It needs to be in quotes. Yes, and then a comma and then the number of times, which is right here on the side of it, and enter. Now we have it for very long, and we change the font into a very small font like Delaney UPC. And when you click on it, it goes to a small form and it looks nice. And you can use autofill. And you can use autofill to do it for all of them.
Very good, Aditya.
Thank you, Daddy.
Aditya,
Yes, Daddy.
is there any other simple method to visualize these marks?
Yes, there is. First, select on all the marks, click on conditional formatting right here and go to data bars. And then you can choose any data bar right here.
Wow, this looks really nice.
Thank you, Daddy.
Aditya,
Yes, Daddy.
can you tell me who are present and absent in your class today?
Yes, I can. We need to make a list to do it quickly. So first select all the cells that you want to do the list to. Click on data validation in the data tab and click on allow in that click on list, and then click on source and select the source right here. I am selecting present absent the round leaf and click on OK. Now we have got a list. We can write on present, absent, leave, and any more things you can write here.
Aditya,
Yes, Daddy.
how can you tell the ranks of your classmates based on their marks?
Yes, I can tell them by writing a formula equals to RANK.TQ, which is right here, and the number which is right next to it, a comma and the range, and just before you click it, click on F4 to freeze the and the comma and 0 and a bracket. And now we need to autofill it to all of them. Here you go, Daddy.
Very good, Aditya. Aditya,
Yes, Daddy.
can you convert these marks into grades?
Yes, here is the list. 0 equals fail and so on. So now we have to write a formula equals to VLOOKUP. Lookup value will be the thing right next to it, aka the marks, comma, and let's just Yes, and the table we want to look up is right here, and press F4 to freeze them. And the comma, the second column, which is the grade 2, and the comma and 1, because we put them in ascending order. Bracket and completed. Now we have to autofill them for everyone.
Very good, Aditya.